Two global hotel giants. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Choice Hotels, offering comfort and variety across the U.S. and beyond. And on the right, Best Western, a brand known for international service and traveler-friendly rewards. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's the map, right? We're going to check out global reach, brand portfolio, value and affordability, loyalty programs, market performance, and brand awareness. Hang tight, and we'll hit each of these points one by one. All right, first up, global reach. So, Choice Hotels, they have over 7,000 hotels spread across more than 40 countries. That's some serious coverage, especially if you're traveling around the US. But if you're thinking truly global, Best Western actually edges them out. Best Western has properties in over 100 countries. Like, wow, that's a ton. Not as many hotels, sure, but you can pretty much find a Best Western anywhere you land. So, for jet setters or anyone who wants options all over the globe, Best Western takes this round. Moving on, brand portfolio. Choice Hotels. Honestly, they're killing it here. 22 brands. You've got everything from budget-friendly spots to new entries in the luxury game, plus extended stay for those longer trips. Sleep In, Radisson, Ascend, there's just a lot. Best Western has 19 brands, so yeah, pretty solid too, especially with cool boutique options like Vib and Gilo. But when you look at the spread, Choice is just more, you know? So Choice Hotels nails this one. Next up, value and affordability. Both brands are pretty budget-friendly, not gonna lie. Choice has made a real name for itself for affordable stays and is always tossing out deals. Upscale properties can be a bit hit or miss on consistency, though. Best Western is known for steady value and competitive prices, especially in the mid-scale range. But heads up, some of those older motels may feel a bit dated. Both companies are solid here, and honestly, I'd say it's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not have known. Best Western's loyalty points literally never expire. Seriously, if you're the type to forget about your rewards, this could be a game changer. Let's talk loyalty programs. Choice Hotels' Choice Privileges is pretty flexible. And if you're sticking mostly to U.S. hotels, there's a lot to love there. But you know what? Best Western seriously pulls ahead in this category. Their points never expire. Like, never. Which is actually insane, because most hotel programs are like, use them or lose them. Plus, the redemption options are global, and their point system is super generous. Elite status can be a bit tricky to get if you're not traveling everywhere, but overall, Best Western just feels more traveler-friendly. So, this one's Best Western for sure. Now, market performance. Choice Hotels has been on a roll, especially recently. Revenue per available room, RevPAR, is up 2.3% in 2025, which is pretty impressive compared to its competitors, and they keep growing. The catch is, they're really US-focused, so keep that in mind. Best Western's bounced back since the pandemic and always delivers good value. But on the market side, they're just not keeping up with Choice's momentum. So, Choice Hotels takes this round. Last category, brand awareness. Think about it. Everyone's heard of Comfort Inn or Quality Inn, right? But the parent brand, Choice Hotels, isn't as big a household name as some of its actual hotel brands. Best Western is a whole other story. 77% of people in the U.S. recognize Best Western. And honestly, you see their sign everywhere, like even on random road trips across the globe. Super consistent recognition worldwide. So, winner here, Best Western. Here's how it all stacks up visually, so you can see in a flash which categories each brand dominates. It's honestly pretty close, right? My take? If you're all about variety, especially if you travel a lot in the US and want options from budget to almost luxury, Choice Hotels is your go-to. But if you're thinking bigger than that, like racking up points on every continent, or want perks that stick around forever, Best Western is the obvious pick. So, it kind of depends. Loyalty lovers and global explorers? Try Best Western. Deal hunters and variety people? Stick with Choice. Found this helpful? Compare hotel brands before you plan your next trip. And hey, follow for more side-by-side breakdowns. Trust me, you'll want to see what comes